Clean comfort food butternut squash mac and cheese. Not excited about fall yet? This is the mouth-watering recipe that will change your mind. Homemade mac and cheese gets a clean makeover with sweet, velvety smooth butternut squash and a crispy golden topping. Serve 6 macaroni, 21/2 pounds butternut squash, peeled, halved, and seeded, then quartered and sliced into triangles. 6 cloves garlic. 1 sprig thyme. 2 c unsweetened almond milk. 2 c chicken or vegetable stock. 1 pound elbow macaroni or mini shells. 2 tablespoons grated Gruyere. Topping, 3/4 c panko breadcrumbs. 1 tablespoon finely chopped flat leaf parsley. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1/4 teaspoon sea salt. 1. Heat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large saucepan, add the butternut squash, garlic, thyme, almond milk, and stock. Cook until the butternut squash is fork tender. Remove the sprig of thyme. Transfer squash mixture to a food processor or blender and puree until smooth. 2. Meanwhile, cook macaroni in salted water until al dente. Drain and rinse with cool water. 3. Spread out the macaroni in a lightly greased 13 inches by 9 inches pan. Pour the squash puree over the noodles. 4. Combine all ingredients for herb breadcrumb topping. 5. Cover the mac and cheese with foil, place in the oven, and bake approximately 45 minutes. Remove from oven and evenly spread breadcrumb topping and Gruyere over the top. Transfer to the broiler and broil until the cheese is brown and bubbly, 5 to 10 minutes.